guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to show you how I got this wearable green smoky eye using the Juvia's Place Nomad palette. If you are interested to see how I got this eye look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, it is March, so now we are going to be doing our Beware the Eyes of March series. See what I did there? It's just gonna be all eyes all month. I have to do a series like month by month to keep myself on track because honestly life is so hectic. Otherwise I sometimes have a hard time waking up and being like, I'll just film whatever today. That's just not how I do things. So we're gonna get into it. Today we're going to be using the Nomad, oh gross. Today we're going to be using the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place. It is this like yellow, brown, olivey toned palette. I love it. I just woke up, looked at this palette and was like, this is what I want to do today. So I've already foundationed and I've already eyebrowed. I'm going to prep my eyes. I'm going to prep my eyes with the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. I like to prep my eyes with concealer because it covers up any discoloration that my eyes might have. Also, I get rather oily eyelids. Gross, I know. But I've found that using a concealer, especially like a matte concealer, helps to kind of combat any oiliness that I get throughout the day, and it really helps to keep the eyeshadow where it's supposed to be. If you like eyeshadow primer better, girl, use your eyeshadow primer. I know there's a lot of wonderful eyeshadow primers out there. Elf, Urban Decay, those are the only ones I can think of right now. I'm sure there's other ones. Oh, like P. Louise and Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't tried those, but they kind of look like concealers to me, so I don't really notice. I don't really see what the difference is. Maybe I'll have to splurge and get some and see what the actual tea is about those. You know what I be say? Alright, so we are going to go into our Nomad Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this yellow shade right here on a Morphe E23, which is a fluffy blender brush, and I'm going to put this slightly above my crease because of my like half hoodedness, as like a transition slash blending shade, if you will. Also, all that lovely noise that you're probably hearing is my washer and dryer because I have laundry to do and I like to multitask. So, reasons I put my transition slash blending shade above my crease is because my particular eye shape has this like half hoodedness, like these like extra, not flap of skin, but it has like a heaviness on top. And so if I put this transition slash blending color right in my crease, you won't be able to see it and it will not serve the purpose it is meant to serve in actually like seeing the eyeshadow. That is why I put it so high on my eyelid, just to let you know. See, now the next shade, I don't know if I want to go orange or if I want to go green. And I think I kind of want to go green. So I think I'm going to go into this olivey shade down here. And I'm going to use a Morphe M514, which is another like fluffy, bristly blending brush. Slightly smaller than what I just used. And I'm going to put this kind of like on top slash slightly below what I just applied. Does that make sense? Blend, 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 blend. Now, I want this to kind of be like a deep look. Hang with me. I know we're gonna get a little crazy. So I'm going to take this deep green color and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Also said that 2020 was the year of colorful wearable looks, and I feel like this palette in particular is really, really great to kind of transition yourself into more colorful looks, because the greens and the oranges and the yellow tones in this palette are very like neutral-esque, and so it's not going to be like overpowering bright, and they're still going to work as like a neutral instead of brown, like a brown alternative, if you will. Blend, 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 blend. Not picking up any more product on the brushes, just blending the colors together to make seamless transitions, so you don't have any harsh lines, because that's not the kind of look that we're going for today. You know what this kind of reminds me of? This look kind of reminds me of? Camo. But look at how wonderfully neutral it is. It's dark, it's deep, it's smoky, but it's green, but not with being like St. Patty's Day Kelly green. It's like a camo green, which I feel like very versatile in today's society. I don't know if I want to add a little sparkle to this though. What do you think? I think I do want to add sparkle, but I don't want to add this sparkle. The two sparkles in here are like this deep, deep sparkle, but maybe that'll work on the lid. Yeah, let's try that. We're gonna put this over top of this like green color, okay? So we're gonna put this over top this color, so we're gonna put it on the lid using a Mikasa E230, which is a shader brush that I used to pack the green color on. I realized I didn't tell you that. Sorry. Yeah. We're not, and it's gonna be like a subtle sparkle, so we're not gonna put any like glue or concealer or anything down. We're just going to really put it over top, and we're just gonna add a little bit of like a sheen to it. Does that make sense? It just really richens the color, as well as gives like the eyelid a little something. So that's pretty much it for the actual lid itself. I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do the other eye, conceal and finish the face, so that we can come back for the lower lash line and finish it up with some lashes. But I really like this. Rest of the face done. I put a nude lip on, and whereas I do think it works, I just like, I look so washed out and I don't care much for it. So we might change that. I don't know. I have not done anything with my eyes, just concealed, bronzed, you know, the whole gambit. We're going to finish the lower lash line, and I'm going to take this Luxie Mini Round 141, and I'm going to use this dark green color, and I'm just going to gently and lightly buff that on my lower lash line, because I would like this look to be kind of smoky. Not kind of, like, yes, I want it to be smoky without being like gross. And maybe not smoky is the wrong word, because I feel like any more smoky means you take the color like halfway down your cheek. I want it to be like defined. Does that make sense? Ooh, what if we put a color in our waterline? Okay, oh, I'm so excited. I want to like pop of color in my waterline. Alright, I need to open this first. Give me a second. I just got too excited too quick. I'm going to use the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Screamin'. It is this yellow eyeliner on my waterline, and it's going to be a good time. It's going to be unbelievably bright, and I'm so excited about it. Alright, sorry, this just came to me. Yes, that's like everything I wanted it to be and more. Now I'm going to go in with a little mascara. I'm not going to put any liner on top because I don't want to. Mascara. I'm using the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil from Grande Cosmetics. I'm going to put some highlight on before I put my lashes on. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder in Precious Petals. And I'm using a Mikasa E310. Highlight the brow bone. Inner corner. That waterline though. So for lashes, I'm going to use my Ayani 3D Foam Ink lashes that I got at the Dollar Tree. They are the Wispy Doll Dramatic Boom. Because I think that this eye calls for a slightly dramatic lash. But again, if you've been here for a minute, you know I like a dramatic lash, so that ain't no surprise. Alright, let's do the other eye and then we will be done. Alright guys, and here is the finished look. This like green, olivey, smoky eye with a pop of color in the waterline. Love it. Love it. It is demure. It is, I don't know if I would call it dramatic. This is extremely wearable, and that's what I was saying in my videos from January 2020, is that like this year is the year of colorful wearable looks. This is colorful to me, but I feel like it is extremely wearable, and I don't think that someone who generally wears brown eyeshadow or like neutral eyeshadows, because brown and neutral apparently are just synonymous in the beauty community anymore, that you would feel uncomfortable wearing this out. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like wearing this amount of like green, olive on your eye, it's colorful, it's wearable, but it isn't going to take anybody by surprise. You're not going to be like, oh my god, that's so green. You know, I feel like you're not going to be self-conscious about color on your face. It's going to be very like a natural transition from your browns to this like olive camo green. Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. Let me know in the comment section, do you like this look? Do you not like this look? Is there something that you would change about it? What I also love about this look too is that it was like a one palette look, minus the highlight, but it was a one palette look. You know, like sometimes whenever you're watching eyeshadow tutorials or you're trying to do eyeshadow, people are using like 10 palettes, and that's a little excessive. I love this look. It's wearable. It's manicured. It can go day, night. You can do the pop of color, not pop of color. You can do whatever you want, and that's what I love about it. One palette look. Again, let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. March is all about eyes, guys, so that rhymed. So gear up and make sure that you subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.